Coming up to the 105E Owners Club. What's going on here? Lots and lots and lots of good stuff. Right, so we'll start off with this van here. Absolutely fantastic, look at that. 105E Owners Club. Stunning little thing. Very, very nice, very nice. Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous colour this. Look at that. Really, really tidy. Another beautiful one coming up here. There you go. Really, really lovely. Lovely thing. Very nice. Looking great in the sunshine. These are absolutely lovely. Something special there. Getting lots of attention. Very good. Got a nice Harris one here. Looking great. Beautiful thing. Absolutely lovely. Lovely kit. Right. All good. Team Bob Speed. Fantastic thing. Looking great. And then we've got a real tidy stocker here. Lovely thing. Lovely thing. Looking good. Looking good. There we go. Beautiful estate there. Guys enjoying themselves. Looking good. Z-Tech. Very tidy. Beautiful. Tidy Z-Tech. That's a lovely thing. Absolutely beautiful. Nice one we got here. Very tidy. Looking lovely these are. That one sits real nice, real nice. I'm not sure what the wheels are, but they suit it really well. Got a nice blue one here on Dunlop wheels by the looks of it, and it's just as good too. Capri joined the club here. Beautiful. Lovely little 100E. Looking great. Beautiful 105. Historic motorsport. Something special there. It's got the cars and car conversion sticker in the window. Something's telling me that's not stock. Lovely van there. Another beautiful one. Very early one looking at that. This one's had a lot of work. Really nice. I've just spotted that rather special manifold there. That's really, really nice. Lots of work. Really, really good. Beautiful. Looking great in the sun, these are. This one looking on like it's got Lotus steels. Really nice. It's got widened rims. I think they're Mark III Escort looking at them. 105speed.com. It's an interesting sticker. Check it out. And then we've got another one that tells me that's not stock. I guess there's something hiding under that bonnet, hopefully. And then finally we've got this beautiful van here, 105 van, early one looking at that. Nice Thames van there, absolutely beautiful. And there you go, 105E Owners Club, there you go.